Right, what you're looking at here's another Halsey Builder fan. This is in my roommate's room, of course, as you can tell. This one's got a spotlight kit like the one in my room, basically, but this one's in better shape. But of course, this one it's a pretty nice fan. It's got a pretty nice shape. As you can tell, I'm not going to turn the light off because it's going to be very dark. Low speed. This fan does have a wobbling issue. It wobbles quite a bit on high. Low speed's pretty fast, like typical Halsey fashion. And yeah, it's a decent fan. As much as cool as it gets. It's low. Medium. This fan is not very loud, but it's already starting to wobble a little bit on medium. I told you this fan does have some pretty bad wobbling problems. And I believe the set screws is loose, which is contributing to some of the bit of the wobble. And it's already wobbling pretty bad on medium. But it is throwing out a pretty good breeze. And let's go to full power. And the fan does work well. Moves a decent amount of air like all Halseys. All the Halsey Builders are pretty much pushing out. But it is wobbling quite a bit on high. Airflow is really good. But anyways, I'm gonna shut her off. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.